Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Today I'm going to talk about the IRS CP504B letter. B stands for business, just so you know. The CP504B came out certified to you. I'm a revenue officer. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I would be a person that would actually knock on your door back in my day, asking you if you paid your debt. So how is IRS going to work your case when they come out? So if your case was in my inventory today, what I would go ahead and do, the first thing I would do is I'd knock on your door. I'd ask and demand that you pay the tax in full. So the B came out certified to you, so there's no excuse for you, especially if you picked it up from not knowing you owe that debt. The first thing I'm going to say, have you filed all your returns? Make sure you do, by the way, if you haven't. Are you making current tax deposits? Are you making federal tax deposits? That's really big. IRS wants to know you've stopped the problem. If you haven't stopped the problem, stop it now. Make a federal tax deposit so when IRS does come out, it looks like you're doing what you should. You should get representation, especially for a business tax. And I'll tell you why. One, personal debt is okay, you owe tax, you didn't have it. But the 941 tax generally is why IRS is coming out. It's money you held in trust. It's money IRS can go after you personally for. So if I was the agent, I'm basically telling you, hey, you stole the government's money. You took the money and you spend it on something else, you don't have it, where's the money? Well, believe me, I know I'm in business. That money, just as soon as it comes in, the money goes out. However, IRS doesn't feel that. So what you have to do is look good in the face of IRS. And how do you do that? Make sure, don't let IRS have anything else bad on you. How do you do that? Have all your returns filed, boom, 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 get them done. Call me, call someone, your accountant if you have one, and make sure you start to make federal tax deposits. Take all the negatives away, leaving IRS little choice and say, how can we help you? What can we do to get you back on your feet if they take that approach? So I've worked thousands of IRS cases, So if you need me, you're welcome to call me. I'm a former revenue officer. If I had your case in my inventory, I would be a person that would have worked your case. I know everything that IRS is going to do on your case well ahead of time. If you're going to ask what are the first two things I'm going to have you do, it's what I just suggested. If you can't do this, then we need to take a look at your business and see what's working and what's not working and what you need to do to get it working. Like I said, I've worked thousands of cases. Give me a subscription. I tell you really cool things you can do to help you in your business. Thank you so much. I appreciate you listening to me. Thank you for your ear today.